Your brain is involved in everything you do. If you want a successful life, school, work, money, relationships, spiritual life, it's critical to think about your brain. Your brain is really the hardware of your soul, of your personality, of your character, and all your decisions. And so loving your brain, honoring your brain, treating your brain as if you care about it is critical to success in any area of life. In my new book, The End of Mental Illness, I actually have a whole chapter called Food Made Insanely Simple. And it's basically eat this, don't eat that. We cut out fat and replaced it with sugar and damaged our brain. I'm a fan of fat because 60% of the solid weight of your brain is fat, but just some simple principles: high quality calories and not too many of them. Calories count, but the quality matters as much or more. Number 2 is hydrate. 70% of your body is water. Well, 80% of your brain is water. Being dehydrated just by 2%, people feel confused, angry, irritable, and can't focus. So water throughout the day is critical, and not things that dehydrate you. So hydration is really important. Protein at each meal. Why? Because it helps stabilize your blood sugar and provides the building blocks for the neurotransmitters that are critical to make your brain work. But it needs to be clean protein, healthy fats. So fat's not the enemy, as I said earlier. And smart carbohydrates. Carbohydrates aren't the enemy, but they're smart carbohydrates and dumb carbohydrates. Go for low glycemic, colorful fruits and vegetables. You'll never go wrong with, and make them organic, but blueberries and strawberries and raspberries and blackberries. Limit high glycemic fruits like dates, and watermelon and pineapple. Nobody buys me like chocolate cake for my birthday because they just know, I know that means they hate me. So colorful fruits and vegetables, protein at every meal, healthy fat, and then eliminate things that could potentially hurt you. And so I avoid gluten, dairy, corn, soy, artificial colors, and sweeteners, because I just have evidence, and there's research evidence they can hurt you. And so I avoid those things. I eat things that are as clean as I can afford. Doing the right thing gives you energy, gives you vibrance, gives you happiness.